Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dotz Butterfly Trio. The size of the kit is 10.6 by 13.8 inches. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit, and the kit contains 36 colors. All of them were resin drills, but as you could have probably noticed, I did replace a few colors with crystals, and I think it actually looks beautiful. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't do it justice. The sparkle is more intense, but not to the extent as on regular Diamond Dotz kits, because this is a budget version of Diamond Dotz. I can say it, first of all, by the canvas itself. It is a little bit different from a standard Diamond Dotz kit canvas. It is very soft on the back side and standard plasticky on the front. If you ever diamond painted kits from Tin Me Arts, AliExpress, this canvas is very similar. And this is on the one hand. On the other hand, the diamonds. The diamonds are of a good quality, but they are not those unique faceted Diamond Dotz diamonds that are thicker, that have more facets. So these are just standard, good quality drills. Not as faceted as in standard Diamond Dotz kits. So this kit is a budget version, and as far as I remember, I purchased it from Walmart. It was a special edition for the store, and I got it not because I liked the design so much, but because of the price. It was very cheap, and I decided that I shouldn't lose this opportunity. It was around $10, and I got it, and I think it was the only full drill kit. All the rest were partials. This is also very similar to leisure arts inspired by Diamond Dotz that were also sold in Joann's. So the same thing, like a budget version of Diamond Dotz. So what issue I had while diamond painting this kit? This budget version, just like AliExpress Tin Me Arts, has a very weird glue. This is a pour glue. It's not double-sided adhesive, right? And the glue is good. But the problem with this glue and Tin Me Arts is that once you place the dot, once you place the drill, and if you place it incorrectly, it's almost impossible to place it in the right position because it always moves to the original incorrect position. And if you look at the kit, at the design, you will see that it looks diamond painted pretty inaccurately. And that's because I was using a multiplacer, and usually when I use a multiplacer, if I place a drill incorrectly, not just incorrectly, not accurately, right? I just move it to a right position, and that's it. But with this very glue, at some point, it moves back to its original position, the way it was before. More than that, it was kind of hard to diamond paint this kit because the drills on the butterflies were not in the strict lines. They were kind of like random. So it was kind of like more time consuming, and it took me longer than I expected. Other than that, I can't say that I like the final result so much because I'm not really a fan of the design to start with, but it's okay. It's okay. Just, a rest in between my larger projects. So, but those of you who purchased the special editions at Walmart or Leisure Arts inspired by Diamond Dotz, again, you will see the difference right away. This is a budget version, And just heads up, be very careful with the sport glue. You should be very, very accurate when placing a drill, because again, you placed it like I don't know, a little bit up or down. That's it. It will be impossible to turn it to a correct position. It will just go back to its original one. I'm not sure why it's happening. Again, I had absolutely the same issue with tin mirrors, kids. I'm not sure if I'm going to frame it. The size is not standard. If I happen to find a frame of the same size, I will put it behind the glass. If not, then I'm not going to spend my money on it, on customizing it, like on custom framing, because again, the kit, I'm not proud of myself at all because it is pretty inaccurate. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon.